How can I use WIC at Walmart online? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. WIC cannot be currently used for online purchases as Walmart across the states. However, Walmart has organized an online WIC payment system in Massachusetts and Washington in collaboration with USDA and the Gretchen Swashen Center for Nutrition. In such states, you can use WIC benefits online by visiting the walmart.com. For this, you have to add the WIC eligible products into your cart and proceed to checkout. While checking out, enter your WIC information to complete the payment. If you live outside of the states, bring your WIC card to the Walmart store instead of online. And at checkout, either present your WIC card to the cashier or use the self-checkout option by scanning your items, selecting WIC under payments, swiping your card and collecting your receipt. So this is how Walmart staffs and members can also provide you assistance regarding it. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.